Hello, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the Tigard Oregon real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, April 10th. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and go through some info with you. So first off, we'll look at the active listings. This last week in Tigard, I showed that we had 32 homes come on the market, down 3 from the prior week. Ended the week at 48 homes on the market, which is kind of a high for the 6 weeks here, which is good to see. Median list price and days on market for the active listings. You can kind of see that that's high. Actually, last week was a high of 617. This last week dropped down to 588, which was kind of a low here for the past 6 weeks. So some lower priced inventory coming on the market in Tigard, which is good to see. And then days on market has been, pretty steady here. Last couple of weeks has come in at 5 days of average market time. Moving to pending sales. Last week I showed 26 homes go into pending status in Tigard, which is kind of in line with where it's been over the past 6 weeks on a weekly basis. Ended the week at 163 homes in total in pending status. That's down a couple from the prior week. And the median price and days on market for pendings, that's been climbing here in general over the past 6 weeks, had a low of 600 6 weeks ago. And then we hit a new high this past week at 620,000 for the median pending price. And days on market, can't get much straighter than that. 5 days of average market time across the 6 weeks. And then lastly here, we'll look at sold listing activity. So as of the time I put this together, I showed that we had 21 homes go from pending to sold this past week, down a lot from the prior week where we had 41 homes go from pending to sold. So we had a little surge here a few weeks back. And then when I look over the prior month of activity, our last 4 weeks here, I show that we had 103 total sales in Tigard, which is the same from the week prior. And median sold price and days on market for the solds, it's been fairly steady, had a high of 600 about 6 weeks ago. It's dropped down a bit this past week. We came in at 580 again, which was the same as the prior week. And then we've been sitting at 4 days of average market time for the solds, well over a month now. And then finally, we'll look at the weeks of inventory and the sale price as a percent of the OLP or original list price. And red bars is weeks of inventory. So you can kind of see it hasn't moved a whole lot. We had a high of 2.5 here about 5 weeks back, a low of 1.7. This last week, it came in at just under 2. So it's been, right around 2 weeks here this past, month and a half. So still very much a seller's, market environment in Tigard. The sale price as a percent of the original list price, boy, that's just been hot. So, last 3 weeks now, we've been up to 107% or higher of the original list price. So, certainly very, very competitive, heated, offer situation in Tigard continues. So to get a better look at the update, you can always click the link or button below the video and it'll take you to my website where you can have a closer look if you'd like. So hope this update's been helpful to you. And if you don't have a real estate professional that you know and trust, certainly would welcome the opportunity to see if my 16 plus years of experience and local market knowledge could be a great fit for you. So just give me a call, 503-680-2065. And I would love the opportunity to see if I could be your realtor and help you move through life. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.